Next! Ron!
I look like my great Aunt Tessie. I smell like my great Aunt Tessie.
Hey, she's only interested in you because she thinks you're the chosen one.
But I am the chosen one. Okay, sorry.
Ridiculous!
Ridiculous!
This class is ridiculous. Very good.
Quiet, please.
Shut it!
Nice.
I can see them too. You're just as sane as I am.
Weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. Since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having an amazing day, and let's start. First thing first, a sweater vest. Get yourself a sweater vest because sweater vests are coming back and they are like so trending right now. So get a sweater vest. Literally all the models out there are wearing sweater vests, so get one. You can also wear this with a body tight full sleeve sweater, just the way I am in this picture. Second thing is a white body tight turtleneck. It will go with anything like a black slit dress. The third item is a black or blue oversized denim jacket. Oh my god, I just now got this jacket. This is so freaking like thick. I don't know, it's pretty warm, and yeah, you can wear it with a turtleneck or even a t-shirt. Pullovers are nothing new, it's pretty old, but there's a new way of wearing it. So you have to wear a shirt and then your pullover. The next thing is a cardigan. I think people don't like to wear cardigans. I don't know why, but cardigans are really comfortable yet looks classy. And the last thing is a chunky knitted sweater. That will give you a Pinterest aesthetic girl vibe. So that's it. Like, share, subscribe. Bye!